Hello healthy minds, hope you are doing well, fit and fine. The Stammering Vlogger is back again with another video on mental health. So this video is all about clearing your minds on the myths and misconceptions of mental health for a better living and better understanding of what mental health is all about. So let's get back to the basics first. As the name suggests, mental health, it means the healthiness of our mind or the healthiness of our brain. Like our physical body, we also need to take care of our mind to have a sound day-to-day activity and for the well-being of us. A person with sound mental health need not to be happy or smiling always. It is very normal for an individual to experience sadness, mood swings, anxiety, depression, and stress at times. Unless and until all these symptoms affects our productivity and daily living and crosses the threshold limit, it is absolutely fine to experience such things. People with ill mental health or slightest of mental disorders are often considered lazy, crazy, and even dangerous. They may be around us in the form of our relatives, friends, and our loved ones. They might feel something wrong from inside, but definitely not harmful in the society. A slightest of intervention in the form of counseling sessions or self-help in the form of meditation and several other therapies may help them to get back to their normal life. The concept of people with mental health disorders being treated only through high dose of medications and electrotherapies are not right. With the medical science advancing with ages and technology, the most popular and convenient one being adopted by the modern age psychiatrist, psychologist, and therapist is psychotherapy, also called talking therapy. In a nutshell, this therapy is all about establishing a connect between the therapist and the patient. The patient is comfortable enough to open up with his life events and the musings going on in his mind with the therapist. However, while we see our friends and colleagues fighting with anxiety or depression, we might be also of some help. We might be the comfort zone for someone else. So next time when you find your friend or your colleague or your loved ones trying to open up their mind in front of you, be a little empathetic and extend your hand of support towards them. They need you. It is also considered that mental disorders are outcomes of an individual's personality flaws or incompetencies. However, there is no scientific evidence in regards to it. It can be actually caused by some serious issues like genetics, physical injury, brain chemistry, trauma, abuses, a bad childhood, and some serious family issues as well. The society and the surrounding with this false notion of the source of mental disorder often leads to discrimination and stigmatization for the individual. Gone are the days when we used to think mentally ill people are rare. According to the study by World Health Organization, it is being observed that 1/5 of the world population is already suffering from some kind of mild or major mental health issues or mental health disorders. A slightest of anxiety or a slightest of depression might lead an individual to a major mental health illness or a mental disorder in future. So every day when you wake up in the morning, Make sure you wake up with a healthy mind and a healthy mental state. A better understanding of mental health would always increase the chance of recovery at an early stage with a better pace. However, everybody's journey of life is different with a different set of experiences altogether. We will be discussing about some major lifestyle changes which we can easily include in our daily life for a sound mental health and well-being of our body in my upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned in this journey of mental health. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Please do like and comment on this video and stay healthy, fit and fine. Bye bye.